Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Asha Rathod. I'm deal with the topic popular culture in study of cultural study. This is my personal information. This is a table of content. Hypothesis of presentation. This is question: how does popular culture reflect and influence societal values and norms in contemporary society? Hypothesis: the present trend on popular culture to explore how it reflects and shapes societal values, identities, and power dynamics. I will examine elements like music, cinema, and digital trends, highlighting the interplay between hegemony and resistance. The focus is on understanding popular culture as a dynamic space where audience actively engage, reinterpret, and influence its involving significance in a globalizing world. So, what is cultural? According to Cambridge Dictionary, the way of life, especially the general custom and beliefs of a particular group of people at a particular time, it's called a culture. At one time, one called that what is believed that is called culture. For example, she is studying modern Japanese language and culture. So, Japanese language and Japanese language culture for her. This is of the most ancient culture in the world. According to Britannica, what has been termed the classic definition of culture, what provided by the 19th century English anthropologist Edward Garnet Taylor in the first paragraph is primitive culture. Culture is that complex whole which include knowledge, belief, arts, models, law, custom, and any other capabilities and habit acquired by man as a member of society. So culture is a adopted by people or the society and any particular class that is called their own culture. So, what is cultural study? In a book of cultural study, as Patrick Rentis has pointed out, cultural study is not a tightly coherent, unfied movement with a fixed agenda, but a loosely coherent group of a tendency, issue, and a question. Cultural studies are not study only about culture and society, but it's about make critic of cultural study arising from a social term of the 19th, 16th century. Cultural study is a composed of elements of Marxism, post-structuralism, and postmodernism, feminism, gender studies, anthropology, sociology, race and ethnic studies, film theory, urban studies, public policy, popular culture study, and post-colonial study. Those fields that concentrate on a social and cultural force that either create a community or cause division and alienation. We can call that every aspect of cultural study, every theory like feminism, gender study, anthropology, sociology, and other also. So, what is popular culture? Who made a popular? Who made a culture? According to Poonam Yadav, popular culture is the growth of cultural activities such as music, art, literature, fashion, dance, films, television, and radio that are the practiced by the people of a society. So, as we call that, people make a culture is popular. It's changed by time. As we know that from history and contemporary time, culture is a area of change. So in mass media, we can share the culture and culture was influenced by mass media and which limits the lives of the society. It as a way influence an individual's attitude towards certain topics. It's often viewed as a being unimportant in order to find conceal acceptance throughout the mainstream. As a result, it comes under heavy criticism from various religion and counterculture groups who believe it superficial, consumerist, sensationalist, and or corrupt. So definition in article of Zamir Mahbad, the term popular culture according to Oliver can be referred as those things that we all share in a common through the mass media exposure, especially the internet and the television. So mass media and internet and television through we can share the culture. As we know that in pre-agriculture time we have not internet or the mass media, so they share their culture and mouths to and speaking by speaking, but in after culture agriculture, they share the culture by books. So but books can be expensive, so everyone cannot be buy and able to reading that. So now we can sharing culture by mass media and social media by different platforms. How popular culture determines. So who made a culture popular, or who can be said that popular culture can be popular or not. So if one regard culture as a way of defining oneself, is therefore need to attract people interest and pursue them to invest a part of themselves in culture. People like to feel a part of a group and to understand their identity within that group. The scenario works well in small communities where people feel needed and special in their small world. Mass culture, however, lets people define themselves in relation to everybody else in mass society at the level of a city, of a country, or of a planet. So as we know that a large number of people of middle class people, and elite class people is less number of than middle class people. So culture is spread by elite class people who had a power. So know that power has a hand of elite class people. So uh, uh, they have to listen on middle class people. So mass media, according to Ashish Bennett, an over optimistic or depoliticized view of the consumption of mass of media form under capitalist conditions. Mass media, first, it must reach many people. Second, it requires the use of some technology device located between source and determinant. Mass media is a technical device. It's between source and destination. So pre-agriculture society, most people lived in small groups as a hunters and gatherers. So types of mass media: print media, broadcast media, outdoor media, and digital media. In print media, we involve newspaper, magazine, books, novels, comics, journals, and publication. Broadcast media and films, television, radio, outdoor media, and poster, banners, boarding, and digital media, social media, video platform, website, mobile apps like Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, ebooks, and online radio. So four main types of popular culture. So first, production analysis. It raised question that who owns the media and who create text and why. Textual analysis examine how specific works of popular culture and what its create meanings. And audience analysis, what audience can determine in different meaning of at the same text. And historical analysis, how change over time. A picture of words of words a thousand words. So a picture is giving so many things. There are the two aspects of positive and negative, but Matthew Arnold has a negative meaning of look at cultural study. They are not following culture. He said that so culture said that here in Britain argued that by consuming media products, people could become the refined or culture. Arnold's argument is that idea that the function of media is to educate, but he failed to realize another important function of media, that is to deter entertain. And for the unrolled media only referred to the high culture media from Western Europe, such as painting, ballets, opera, and the symphony. In the 20th century, mass media reached deeper into society and made mass audiences alienated and isolated from their cultural roots. Popular culture in contemporary times. India presents us with the cultural side in the term of the dynamic of popular culture. India's society is mixed and multilingual, and this makes difficult every aspect of daily life and culture. So, as we know that contemporary time in India, there are a large number of people of middle class people rather than elite caste people. So Dharwad has stated that India has a 125 major language. So different, there are so many languages in culture. So different of her culture. So which belong to four different language families. popular culture in Indian context. There are many of people are using social media and mm, uh, watching cinemas and other streaming also. Cricket is everyone's favorite, and for the watching interest uh, and from north to south in all in the world. So these are the five movies of Indian cinema of example of cultural study in popular culture. In Pink movie, we can say we can see that woman empowerment and feminism. And Pushpa, their lower caste system in the movie Shubh Mangal, and that in that queer theory, we can say that Mary Kom in feminism. So most popular social network in 2024. So most of people are using a social media platform. So in first Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp. So conclusion, there are many different definition of culture. So we cannot say one particular definition of a culture because it's changed and by culture, and it's followed by culture on other rules. So this is my resources citation.